Hello everyone and welcome to Module 7. We're going to scroll all the way down here and we're looking at functional programming and iterators, and this week is jam-packed with topics. We're covering everything from problem solving to GUIs, or graphical user interfaces. I've also opened up the final project down here. It was not due to open till the 20th, but I had heard a few of y'all say you might want a few extra days to work on it since next weekend's a holiday. So I opened it up for this weekend. So if you want to get in there and get started, feel free. The discussions will not open until tomorrow as normal, but the rest you can get in and look at the project if you want to and get a start there. Our final project is due on Saturday of week 8. The class closes on Saturday, April 26th. So I just want to make sure that you have that in mind as we close out the session, that they close on Saturday and not on Sunday. So Saturday, the 26th, I know you see here April 27th. That is incorrect because it's at 1 a.m. or at 12 a.m. on April 27th. So it's really incorrect, and this is due on the 26th. Okay, if you have any questions, please shoot me an email and let me know. Also, the surveys are open this week. So if there's anything you really liked about the course, or if you just enjoyed me being your professor, I would really appreciate the help that just by answering the few questions on the survey. It always does good for us and ensures that we will continue to teach the classes that you say we're good at teaching. So if I did a good job, please let them know so that I can continue to teach this course. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great week 7, and do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions.